Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna make some nails, so let's go. This is the last one. So we're just gonna roll it up like that. Like that. So this is the last one because I made the others. So let's go. Just like that. And let's put some glue on here. So just like that. So I'm gonna get some stickers over this one. It's so like that. I love Koroni. So I have so many stickers here, so I just cut it all. So we just need, how about a cake?
Dasal-dasal na ako, kaya atong 40 days good, diba sa ito?
Yung kalendaryo mo, kumisa mo, magbuwan mo sa simbahan, pagka Domingo, kamisa mo sa talagang
just angry to my grandpa, she's so noisy. It's my 10 takes of a video.
may kung sobre nga kumisa ka sa talagang ni Ani. O, lista ni mo, basaw mo sa pare, sa 17.
We're gonna fold this like that. So it's good. It's straight. So
Sa misa, may
this.
part na siya sa kalag.
How about the lipstick?
So, kada misa sa pare, may part din ang kalag. Nagabasa na siya.
Very mindful. Very demure.
Kaya nangod sa kalag ni dili ko yung sekretary.
Actually,
ang pare ng kamisa ganin na. Ito, magkatawag na misa, di ba? Ang pare na mag-misa, di ba ng sekretary?
just put it here first. Very mindful. Very demure. So like that. So like that. Can you be just quiet? Just hate it. So please for the part 2.